know a lot of people probably already know this, but if you're like me and curious and wanted to figure it out, this video is for you. This was me at first taking forever to remove the keycaps because I had no idea what I was doing. Yeah, and then I realized the tool actually matters. You've got one end for the keycaps, and for the other, it's for the switches, but we don't really need that today, but you know, it's pretty straightforward. It's like tweezers. What you gotta do is you tuck it slightly under the keycap, pull up and a little to the side and repeat. Don't stress if they flick around, just don't pull up too hard, because that's what makes them fly. And yes, you can stack the keycaps as you go.